Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 38. In this lesson, we're going to learn the verb type 4. This type consists of verbs that end in the following endings. To find this type of verb's infinite stem, you remove the T from the end. After removing the T, you need to add the correct ending. Notice that the third person singular does not have an ending at all. Here is one example. Osata. Minä osaan.
I am able to.
Sinä osaat.
You are able to.
Hän osaa.
He is able to. She's able to.
Me osaamme.
We are able to.
Te osaatte.
You are able to.
He osaavat.
They are able to.
Here are some other verbs of type 4. Now it's your turn. Try to conjugate the verb herätä.
Minä herään. Sinä heräät. Hän herää. Me heräämme. Te heräätte. He heräävät.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!